Welcome to our class 5 mathematics. So we have completed chapter number 2. As per our lessons, I have been providing you the PDF file with the notes, children. Firstly, I have gone through the concept and each and every problem solutions is been done in the PDF file. Kindly go through that, and the problems which I have given for homework, those solutions are also given in that. Kindly check it and check your answers and make the necessary corrections. Okay. So now we are in the next lesson, chapter number 3, smart tables. Children, I'll just give you one website. From that website, you people just go on with the worksheets. And as I told you, to make a separate book for the worksheets, all the worksheets do in that and do the practice. So the website is scert dot telangana dot gov dot in. From this website, children, just you can see there is a flashing. If you just open this, if you just log in for this one, when you open this page, you'll be getting new worksheets. Yes, select your class and then do the worksheets from the starting first lesson till there are each lesson is having some 5 or 6 worksheets. So that will be more enough for you for your practice. Is it clear? Just remember the site scert.telangana.gov.in, because as per the time schedule, maybe I'm not giving you all the worksheets in your My Class Campus app. So please go through the website and do the worksheets in the separate notebook which is meant for the worksheets. Is it clear? And the notes I'll provide you. And the notes are, as far as I know, I hope everybody are writing the notes. Okay, notes are being provided. That you just go through the My Class Campus and write the notes with the concept, with the solutions of each problem, and also the extra problems, homework problems which I am giving you for the practice apart from your worksheets. Okay, some few have given you the worksheets. Remaining are there. Please go through the website and then do the practice as per your time basis. Okay, so now let us come back to the next lesson, that is chapter number 3, smart tables. What are tables? Tables is nothing but making the data. Yes, the information which is being provided is being arranged in the form of tables. Yes, like you will be seeing. Yes, your serial number, name of the student. Yes, admission number, father name. These all things are the data which we are writing in the form of tables. The time you pay the fees, that are being noted down. These are all in the form of tables. We use it. These all things, information, we collect it and make it in the form of tables to make our representation, to get to know the information in a proper sequential way. Okay, data tables we go on, maps, pictures. These all are the collection of the making the information easier to understand for us. Okay, these all are displayed in the form of pictures. Yes, what are those? You can see that maps also. Maps are used for what? To go on with the routes. Not only for the routes, direction, routes, GPS also it is being provided. To know the how many states are there in our country, to how many countries are there. These all information we go through the maps. Yes, then pictures. You can see that these pictures also will display you the graphical representations. Yes, like if you say that there are 24 boys and how many girls, if I go on with 48 girls. Yes, if there are 24 boys and 48 girls, so what am I getting? If I go on with the graphical representation, these are the boys. Yes, double of this one are girls. Yes or no? So if I go on with the graphical representation of a bar graph, these are the boys, girls are the double of this one. Then the total is calculated. Okay, the graphical representation, this is the pie graph, yes, bar graph. These all are the representation of the information to make us understand in a easy way. Okay, smart tables are used to display the data for making us get the information understand in a simple way, so that we can analyze the data in a simple way. Okay, is it clear? So now let us go on with the problems which are there in the textbook. Okay, let me explain you smart tables by taking a example. Definitions I'll give you in my class campus app, children. Don't worry, in a proper way, how you should write down in your classwork, those I'll provide it. Okay, children, and please do the worksheets, practice more and more. First problem, teacher wanted to give the favorite fruit to each student. Teacher wanted to give the favorite fruit to each student in the class on Teachers' Day. On Teachers' Day, Ram and Rani collected the favorite fruit and recorded the following. So teacher wanted to give the favorite fruit to each student. So these two students, Ram and Rani, collected the information from each student of their favorite fruits and they recorded in the form of a table. Okay. Favorite fruit and recorded the following table. Okay, children? So let me draw the table. So totally they have gone through the 29 fruits. Apple, mango, banana. They have wrote all the fruits name first. There are total 29 children, okay? Apple, banana, seventh one is, sixth one is mango. Mango. Seventh one is orange. Then 8th one is apple. 9th is mango. 10th is apple. 11th is banana. 12th is orange. 13th is mango. 14th is apple. 15th is mango. 16th is orange. 17th is apple. 18th is banana. 19th is apple. 20 is mango. 21 orange. 22 apple. 23 orange. 24 mango. 25 apple. 26 banana. 27 mango. Then 28 apple. 29 orange. 30 apple. Okay, so these are the number of fruits, number of students, each one they gave the names. Okay, so firstly I'll just erase the question and I'll go on with the, I'll just collect the information and write it in the form of a tabular form of this students collection. Okay. So how many total fruits are there? Banana, apple, orange, mango. Okay, the number of fruits are 4 fruits are there. So what are those? Banana, apple, orange, mango. These are the 4 fruits names I got it. Now let me write the count. So first one, apple, 1. Next one is mango, 1. Next one, third one is banana, 1. So wherever I'm getting it, I'm just drawing a line. You know the tally marks. Yes, tally marks means we'll just write the lines, we'll write it, and I'll say you how to draw, cut or draw the lines. Okay. So firstly, let me make a tally marks table. So this is the tally marks which I am writing now. Okay, these are the fruits. Okay then. So first one over, second, third one over. Now fourth one is apple. So beside apple one more. Then fifth one is banana. So beside banana one more. Sixth one is mango. Then seventh one is orange. Eighth one is apple. Ninth one is mango. 10th one is apple. 11th one is banana. 12th one is orange. 13th one is mango. 14th one is apple. 15th one is mango. 16th one is orange. 17th one is apple. 18th one is banana. 19th one is apple. 20 is mango. So you can see wherever I am getting the fruits, there beside in that I am just drawing a line. Okay. After that I will count the lines. 21st is orange. 23, 22 is apple, 23 is orange, 24 is mango, 25 is apple, 26 is banana, 27 is mango, 28 is apple, 29 is orange, 30 is apple. Okay. So now I'll count the number. So you can see here how many I can just write down. Total count. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Done? So this is the total number of banana, apple and orange and mangoes separately. Okay. So you can make the tally table in one more form. What is the another form of making the tally table? See here. This is one form of drawing the lines like this. And the another form is 5 is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth line, you will cut all the 4 lines. Okay, like this also you can do, or like this also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this is any way you can cut it. Now see here 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10th line is cutting it. 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So like this also you can draw the tally marks. Okay. Is it clear? So what is this? What is this making us to do? It is making our calculation of number of fruits in an easy way. These tables are making us the calculation of the tables in an easier way. Yes. The fifth line is making the symbol of the fifth line will indicate when we cut that one, it will indicate the tally marks. Yes, the fifth line which we are cutting is the symbol of a tally marks. Is it clear, children? So by this, counting it one by one is easy for us. Okay, and by this you can understand how many are more and less. So you can see that the only 5 children, so only few children want banana. So how many want? Few children want banana. So there are few children who prefer banana. You can understand by this table also. What all things you can understand? The total number of students are 30. That you are getting it from this one. And also you can understand that the only few children want to eat banana, more want to go for apple. Yes. So how many you can getting it individually? Is it clear? Okay, children. So these are the some of the tables. So one more, let me go on, children. It will be easy for you. Let me just do one more table. So apple and banana is over. Let me go on with some more. After this, children, will go on with the, you can see that this question is there in page number 34. In your textbook, page number 34, you have the same question. Yes, this question is there in your textbook, page number 34. Okay. Here 40 children are given children, but what we did is of 30 children. Okay, you can even calculate it for 40 children. So let me erase this one. I hope it is clear for you all. Yes. Let me take one more example. Rajaya planted the following fruit plants in 4 rows in his field. Rajaya, simple question. Rajaya planted the following fruits, the following fruit plants in 4 rows. In 4 rows in his field. Okay. Four rows are there. 1 row, 2, 3, and 4. So firstly, banana, BAN. I'll make it a little more simple. Instead of writing whole B, I'll just write down B children. Okay. So first one, banana, apple. G is for Goa, then mango, Goa. This is first row. Then next row is mango, mango, apple, Goa, banana. Then third row, Goa, banana, mango, apple, Goa. Then fourth row, apple, mango, apple, Goa, Goa. Okay. So you know that it is apple, mango, Goa, banana. Okay. So now let us do this one. So you have to solution. You have to make it a tally marks table. So again, I'll draw the table. I'll write the name of the fruits in the first column. Then second column is for tally marks. Then third column is for the number. Okay, so this is the tabular form. So firstly, banana, then next apple, then next mango, then next is Goa. Is it clear? So now firstly, let me come to banana. So first I'll check for the first row. First row, how many bananas are there? One banana, one apple, third one is Goa, then next is mango, then again Goa. Okay, first row over. Now second row. Mango, mango, apple, Goa, banana. Now third row. Goa, banana, mango, apple, guava. So the line which I am cutting is the fifth line. Okay. So third row over. Now come to the fourth row. Apple, mango, apple, guava, guava. So total number how many are there? Let us calculate. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7. Is it clear? So now total how many you should get it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So let us calculate and see. 5 plus 5 plus 7 plus 3. 10, 17, 20. Got it? Total is 20 and less number are banana and more number are guava. Yes? How many mango plants? First question. Let us answer. Let us answer this question. How many mango plants Rajaya planted? Okay. So children, let us first go on with the answer the following. So firstly, so what is our first question? How many mango plants Rajaya planted? How many mango plants Rajaya planted? So this is our first question. Yes, in the rough column, let me just write down the count. Okay, the answer which we got it, let me just write down those count. So what did we get it? 3 bananas, 5 apple, 3, 5, 5, 7. Okay. So what was our query here? First one, how many mango plants? Mango, apple, banana, guava. So how many mango plants Rajaya planted? How many mango plants are there? There are 5 mango plants. So solution, 5 mango plants Rajaya planted. So now second question, which plants Rajaya planted mostly? Which plants Rajaya planted mostly? So what is our answer here? Guava plant. Guava plant. Third question. Yes, you can see here. Mostly means more. So 7 is more. Guava plant is more. Which fruit plants is less in Rajaya's field? Which plants is less? Banana. Which fruit plant is less in Rajaya's field? In Rajaya's field. So as per the table, banana plant is the less. So our answer is banana plant. Banana plant. Okay. So last question here. Fifth question. How many banana plant is less than the guava plants? How many banana plant is less than the guava plant? Guava plant. So children, by the keyword less than, as I told you, less than means what you will do? So firstly, banana plants are 3, guava plants are 7. So less than means 7 minus 3. Less than means minus. So 7 minus 3, how much? 4. Yes or no? So 7 minus 3 is 4. Okay. So like this you have to do, children. Each table will have a tally marks and some questions. You have to go on with the tally marks and the questions. Do the worksheets in the worksheets book, children, as well as in our next class we will just go on with the textbook problems, and kindly the extra problems which are there in the worksheets, try to solve it by yourself. Okay. So 2 problems today we have done it. We'll continue in our next class from page number 35 of the textbook. So page number 34 is done, and notes will be provided to you through My Class Campus app. Children, go through the notes. The definitions first it will be given. Write the definitions after the starting of the lesson. Then I'll just go on with the problems. With the solutions it will be done in the same sequential way you people do it. Okay. So in the next class we'll continue from page number 35. Okay. So by this classwork is being completed. By this our lesson is been 50, second lesson is completed and third lesson is started. Okay. In our next class we will start page number 35. Please children, try to do the worksheets. Okay. Try to complete the worksheets and do practice as much as possible. Okay. So by this our class is completed, children. And in the announcement, kindly pay the fees as early as possible, first term and second term fees. Okay. Thank you, children. Take care of yourself. Stay safe.